What's up, you guys? Back with another video. Today we're going to be looking at my dad's new to him 2014 CVO Road King. This is such a beautiful bike. It's got low miles on it, beautiful paint job, 110 cubic inch motor, Vansenans pipe, and bro, this thing moves. It is a beauty. I really like this bike. I'm considering getting a CVO Fat Bob for myself now. But yeah, let's get into it. So up in the front, the previous owner had it fitted with a black LED headlight. These things come from the factory with the stock halogen headlight. It's got the tinted wind splitter windshield, right? We've got the slipstream collection on this bike, consisting of floorboards, brake pad, highway pegs, passenger pegs. It's got the Screaming Eagle 110 motor in it. It's got the Screaming Eagle heavy breather on it. It's got the one latch saddlebags. Came with saddlebag liners. Push, and it's closed. It's got the rear crash guards for the saddlebags. These came standard along with the front. It's got mid-frame heat deflectors on it. This piece here is to move heat away from your legs and draw more cold air in to cool the engine down. This is the best part of the motorcycle, the CVO tail end. It has the Vansenans exhaust. I'm not sure which Vansenans exhaust model it is, but the previous owner had it fitted with the end caps, the CVO end caps. We just got it 2 days ago, that's why it's got no plate. Moving along to this side, we've got the 110 cubic inch derby cover. We've got the toe heel shifter, also with the Airstream collection, slipline collection. It's got the Screaming Eagle orange spark plug leads. It's got a chromed lowers. It even says here, custom vehicle operations and the brake calipers. It's got these beautiful chrome mag wheels. I'm not sure what these wheels are called. I think they're called the adversary wheels. Beautiful bike. Being a 2014 was the first year of the Project Rushmore, so it's got a hydraulic clutch. It's got flush mount gas caps as well as flush mount fuel indicator straight from the factory. It's got the CVO gauge showing the RPMs. Keyless, no knob like the normal CVO, so you just, the lights come on. See there, you can't see that well in the sunlight, but it says custom vehicle operations. And yeah, it's a beautiful machine. Really happy. It's a beautiful bike. The previous owner also added this. This is initially supposed to go on your fuel cap, but because it had a flush mount, I think they moved it here. It's got the live to ride, ride to live Harley Davidson emblem. It's got the sissy bar with pull-in backrest, black luggage rack. Beautiful bike, beautiful bike. We got this bike at a steal. It's got the titanium dust paint scheme with Aztec graphics. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheers, man.